Okay, so you have completed your letter of application and you have uploaded it for grading into Schoology. But now I want to show you how to use your portfolio because this electronic portfolio will be graded in the end. So not only are you getting credit for things that I ask for you to complete, but then you're going to get credit again for having your portfolio complete with all the items that I ask you to put in there. Now only put the items that I ask into this portfolio. I don't want everything in there. Okay, so we are going to be putting the letter of application into our portfolio. So this is what you're going to want to do. So when you're in our course, you're going to go over to your name and click on the drop down arrow. Go to your profile. And then over to the left, you'll see portfolios. Click on that. Now, I'm going to show you how to make one. So you're going to go new portfolio. And you're going to give it a title. I'm going to call this one practice portfolio. So this is our practice portfolio. All right. Upload image. I don't want to give it an image. We're going to call it this color. All right. So now that we have our portfolio available, I'm just going to go back out and show you that it's there. So now you'll see that there's a practice portfolio. So now I need to put things into the portfolio. So if I open it, it'll let you put items in it. So it'll say portfolio items here. You can click on a link or a file and bring it in. So let's just say, try to see what I'm going to bring in. Let's just go to BAML and we'll bring this file in. Okay, so now I brought in the adventure file into this portfolio. And over time, you're going to have a collection of items into your portfolio. And then when I ask you to share it, I'm going to show you how to do it. So here's your practice portfolio. We know that we have the adventure in there. Let's see. Oop, there it is, adventure. Okay. And now I want you to share it with me for grading. So when you click on this, looks like a little snowman here, the three buttons, you click on that, it'll say share portfolio. So you're going to click on that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to copy this link here so that you're going to give me the link. You can put it on a Google Doc and then upload the Google Doc with this on there. So the only thing that'll be on there is your name. It might say, let's say Erin Ladie, and then you're gonna copy and paste this link onto it. Okay, so that's all you need to do so that I can have this link and go in and look at your portfolio at any time.